I'm Joe Barton from Ramp, the Dennis Advertising Agency, with your Monday Morning Marketing Minute. Today I want to talk about advanced ways to track how each one of your advertising mechanisms is performing. Now, the vast majority of practices already ask how somebody heard about the practice when somebody calls to make an appointment. And that's basically it. The reality of it is, if you're doing multiple advertising mechanisms, let's say Yellow Pages, direct mail, you have a website, and maybe you're doing some radio advertising, that person who called most likely probably said they saw you on the web because they heard and saw all your other messages and then decided to call you and looked you up on the web. And when the person asked them from the office how they heard about you, that was the last place they saw it, or your number. So what we recommend is asking them that up front, but then coming up with a section or a form in your new patient forms that has all different types of media on it: radio, television, direct mail, Yellow Pages, website, things that you're not even doing. Then when they fill out their forms, you ask them, please check off all of the places you've heard or seen our practice. So they may check off website, oh yeah, I saw the direct mail and I heard the radio ad. So that person who was originally given 100% credit for the website now gets 0.33 for the website, 0.33 of a new patient for radio, and 0.33 for the direct mail. To learn more about Ramp, go to rampresults.com or give me a call at 1-800-620-RAMP, R-A-M-P.